Generative AI, or GenAI, has taken the world by storm. It powers chatbots, creates art, and even writes code. But beneath the surface lies a complex technological stack. Each layer plays a crucial role in bringing GenAI to life. At the foundation are the chipmakers, providing the raw computing power. Above them sit the creators of foundational models, the brains of GenAI. Then come the application developers, crafting the tools we interact with. Finally, we have the platforms that deliver these tools to users. Understanding this stack is key to grasping the complexities and challenges of the GenAI revolution. The rapid evolution of GenAI has ignited excitement and concern in equal measure. Its potential to reshape industries is undeniable. Yet, as with any transformative technology, ethical considerations must guide its development and deployment. The stakes are high, and the choices we make today will determine whether GenAI empowers humanity or leads us down a perilous path. The future hinges on our ability to harness its power responsibly, ensuring that it benefits all of society.
The GenAI gold rush is on, but not everyone is striking it rich. The profitability across the GenAI stack is far from uniform. Chipmakers, the suppliers of the essential hardware, are reaping substantial rewards. Companies like Nvidia, with their high-performance GPUs, are witnessing soaring stock prices. Language model developers, too, are attracting significant investment, though their path to profitability is less certain. However, application developers face a much tougher landscape. Competition is fierce, and the costs of development and marketing can be prohibitive. This disparity highlights a crucial aspect of the GenAI revolution. The technology's true potential lies not just in sophisticated algorithms, but in their practical applications. Building useful and accessible tools requires more than just raw computing power or clever code. It demands a deep understanding of user needs, robust design principles, and a commitment to ethical considerations. The companies that will thrive in the long term are those that can bridge the gap between technological prowess and real-world value, delivering solutions that are both powerful and responsible.
The rise of GenAI has sent shockwaves through Silicon Valley, forcing tech giants to adapt or risk being left behind. Microsoft, with its early investment in OpenAI, has positioned itself at the forefront. Their stock has surged as investors bet on their ability to integrate GenAI. Google has responded with its own chatbot, Bard. Google's vast resources and AI expertise make them a formidable player. This technological arms race raises concerns about consolidation and control. Questions arise about fairness, competition, and the potential for monopolies.
Section 5. Ethical Implications. Navigating the moral minefield of GenAI. The rapid ascent of GenAI presents a daunting array of ethical challenges. These concerns extend far beyond the realm of technology, touching upon fundamental questions about privacy, fairness, and the very nature of creativity. As GenAI systems become more sophisticated, their ability to generate realistic images, videos, and text raises concerns about the potential for misuse. Deepfakes, for example, can be used to spread disinformation and manipulate public opinion. Similarly, the use of GenAI in hiring processes raises concerns about bias and discrimination. Addressing these ethical considerations is not merely an afterthought, but a crucial aspect of responsible GenAI development. It requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration between technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and the public. We must establish clear guidelines for the development and deployment of GenAI systems, ensuring transparency, accountability, and respect for human values. Failure to do so risks exacerbating existing societal inequalities and undermining trust in these transformative technologies.
Data privacy under siege, the invisible cost of innovation. GenAI's data appetite raises privacy concerns. Models are trained on massive datasets, often without consent. This raises questions about data ownership and individual rights. Misuse ranges from targeted ads to surveillance and identity theft. Protecting privacy requires a shift in data handling. Robust regulations must empower individuals. Section 7. The copyright conundrum: who owns the creative spark? GenAI's ability to create art, music, and literature sparks debate about copyright. If a machine's painting is indistinguishable from a human's, who owns the copyright? Is it the developer, the user, or does authorship need re-evaluation? These questions impact the entire creative industry. Balancing creators' rights with GenAI's potential is essential. Section 8. The automation anxiety: will robots take our jobs? The spectre of job displacement looms large over the GenAI revolution, fueling anxieties about a future where machines replace human workers. While GenAI undoubtedly has the potential to automate certain tasks, it's crucial to approach this issue with a balanced perspective. History has shown that technological advancements often lead to job transformations rather than outright replacements. New jobs emerge, requiring different skill sets and creating new opportunities for human ingenuity. Rather than fearing automation, we should focus on harnessing the power of GenAI to augment human capabilities. By automating repetitive tasks, GenAI can free up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of their jobs. This requires a proactive approach to education and retraining, equipping individuals with the skills needed to thrive in a GenAI-powered workforce. By embracing lifelong learning and fostering a culture of adaptability, we can navigate the challenges of automation and create a future where humans and machines work together to achieve shared goals. Section 9. Tempering the hype: a realistic outlook on GenAI's future. The GenAI revolution is still in its early stages, and it's essential to temper the hype with a healthy dose of realism. While the potential of GenAI is undeniable, it's not a silver bullet that will magically solve all our problems. GenAI systems are still prone to errors, biases, and limitations that require careful consideration. Overhyping their capabilities can lead to unrealistic expectations, disappointment, and a backlash against the technology itself. Instead of succumbing to hype cycles, we need to focus on developing a nuanced understanding of GenAI's strengths and limitations. This involves rigorous testing, transparent evaluation metrics, and ongoing research to address the ethical and societal implications of these technologies. By fostering a culture of critical thinking and responsible innovation, we can ensure that GenAI lives up to its promise while mitigating its potential pitfalls. Section 10. Ethics as the North Star, guiding GenAI towards a better tomorrow. The future of GenAI hinges on our ability to embed ethical considerations at the heart of its development and deployment. This requires a collective effort from technologists, policymakers, researchers, and the public to ensure that GenAI is used for the benefit of humanity and not to its detriment. We must prioritize transparency, accountability, and fairness in all aspects of GenAI, from data collection and algorithm design to application development and user interaction. By embracing a human-centered approach to GenAI, we can harness its transformative power to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From healthcare and education to climate change and social justice, GenAI has the potential to make a positive impact on countless lives. However, this will only be possible if we prioritize ethical considerations at every step of the way, ensuring that GenAI empowers humanity and creates a more just and equitable future for all.